Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing these pretty bohemian bob locks on myself, and this is my first time doing it. I did it on a friend before and I decided to do it on myself, and I really love them. They're like these pretty textured curly locks. So if you are interested in seeing how I do it, keep on watching. So right now I'm starting off with my hair freshly braided in plaits, and don't mind the back, I couldn't see, so my parts are kind of everywhere. And this is the hair I'm using. I use 6 packs of this hair and I will have it linked down below. So as you guys can see right now, I'm just fluffing the hair out. I use 2 curly pieces to get this size. I crocheted the hair onto the braid, and I have the shorter piece. Oh, the shorter piece the same length as my real hair, the braid, and then the longer piece is what I use to wrap. So I wrap tightly about 3 to 4 times on my roots so it's secured, and then afterwards, as I'm wrapping down the braid, I wrap 2 to 3 times, depending on if you want to wrap more, you always can. I wrap 2 to 3 times around my thumb, and then I'll pull my thumb out, and that's where that curly bubble comes in, and I keep doing that until I get to the end. And I hope this all makes sense to you guys. So right now, as you see, I'm just wrapping the hair multiple times around my thumb, and then I'll just slip my thumb out, and that's what helps create that bubble. And towards the end, it'll all make sense when you see it multiple times. So once I get to the bottom, instead of just cutting it off, I would just wrap upwards, but I'll wrap the wrapping hair around one of my fingers to kind of create that knot at the bottom that you see. And yeah, just wrap upwards. So in these next few clips, you'll see me, I'll do the same thing, and then at the end, I'll kind of re-explain it again to you guys. So guys, after like 4, maybe 5 hours later, this is where I'm at. I have 4 more. There's a few that I have to redo, like these in the front. I have to cover my hair color. I think I'm gonna buy like root spray so I could just spray the part that you see. But this is it so far. Ooh, I gotta do my edges, but I like them a lot. They're really cute. I wonder why mine looks so like curly. It look like curly fries. But I'm gonna just do like a demonstration again for these last 4 for you guys, so I could really see how I did it. So here I am doing the same thing, and this time it's like regular speed. So as you see, I make the shorter length the same length as my real hair. And then I will use the longer length as the wrapping hair. And like I said before, I will wrap multiple times at my roots. About three to four times. And then as I go down, that's when I wrap around my finger around 3 times. And just slip it out. I mean my thumb. And then slip it out. And I realized as I kept doing it, I realized the looser you wrap, the more bubbled and the more texture it'll create. So if you do like a lot of texture, you can always wrap looser. And if you kind of like a little neatness, I'd say wrap a little tighter. But still do the same method with the wrapping around with your thumb. But since I was a little tired, I started to wrap looser. And I noticed that it was more curly. Got the 6-pack one, so in total I used 5. I only have 1 pack left. And then I have my jewelry, but I think I'm gonna add my jewelry tomorrow when like I have everything done. Like I fix my edges, I fix the color, and I fix the ones that I'll be wrapping, so you guys can see like it will full effect when I have on the fit, because I think I'm going somewhere tomorrow. So this is it for right now, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm finally done. I added some jewelry in my hair, but this is the final look. It's like this really textured, pretty bohemian kind of seashells. I ended up having to spray my hair with the black root spray, like I told y'all, since my natural hair is like an orangey color. I rewrapped some of them. Some of them are like more textured than others, which is fine, and that's what I like about it. It's different. It's not like, you know, a uniform look. And then also I'm going to show y'all the quick styles that you can do. So right now I'm just showing you guys different hairstyles you guys can do with this kind of style, especially for the summertime. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.